Plug in and switch on the chiller. The screen displays the current temperature. You can set the temp via up and down button. 45 is okay. Press up and down button together into F01 and set is to be 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Then the water temperature will be 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. You can switch between F01 and F02. F02 is for temperature calibration. Press the power button to confirm. It's set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit by default. After a few seconds, it will return to the current temperature. Function introduction. When fan indicator flashes, it's delayed. If there is a lock sign in the panel, then we cannot adjust it. The panel is locked. Then we need to unlock the panel. Press the power plus down button together. If you need to reset the system, press the power and up buttons together. F01 and F02 will return to factory defaults. OF means standby. Just press and hold the power button to turn it on.